Alright, greetings punters, Ben here, and this is game 959, which is Andrew Ho's Spider-Man Unlimited #1. Alrighty, we are live, and current time is 8:22 PM. Current time is 8:22 PM. We have 53 spots with Deej bookending them. That was 53. Yeah, 53. All right. Okay, I've got one. Yep. All right, 53 spots, looking good. 3 dice roll. All right, 6 and 3 is 9, and 1 is 10. 1 and 3 is 4, and 6 is 10. All right, here we go. 10 rolls. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. 5. 6. 7. All right, 8 times. 6, 9, 10. 2 more to go. Penultimate. All right, 9 times. So next roll is for the winner. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, let's see how we went. And our winner of Spider-Man Unlimited is Greg Carr. There you go. There's a name I haven't seen before. Congrats, Greg, on your win. You need to get in contact with Andrew to claim your prize. Alrighty, we're done. Thanks very much, everybody. And we'll see you next time.